Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how value error, invalid literal for int, with base 10, ABC. This error occurs when you try to convert a string that cannot be interpreted as an integer to an integer using the int function. In this case, the string ABC cannot be converted to an integer because it is not a valid number. Here's an example of how this error can occur in Python code. When you run this code, you will get this error message. To fix this error, you need to make sure that the string you are trying to convert to an integer actually represents a valid number. If you are taking user input, you should validate the input to ensure that it is a number before trying to convert it to an integer. Here's an example of how you can use a try except block to handle this error. Let's run this code. Here is the output. In this code, we use a try except block to catch the value error that occurs when we try to convert the string ABC to an integer. Instead of crashing the program, we print a helpful error message that tells the user that the input is not a valid integer.
Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos, which can help and assist you further.